Yeah, super ball striking that from Gauf. Excellent start then. That's a lovely strike of the ball. Little help off the net cord, but looked absolutely spent at the end of it. However, it is early days and she might get a little... Lovely shot, too good. Clean strike of the ball there from Gauf. Not there yet, though. Gauf takes it. That is a superb set of tennis from the American. There were question marks over a serve today, but on the whole, it's been very solid. She has swatted Eala aside in no time at all. 26 minutes is all that it's taken. You knew what was coming. Gauf straight into that. But Gauf holds again. And she clocks up another game. This is a huge service game now. She has a chance, Eala, if it stays a set and a breakdown. But if it goes a set and a double breakdown. Risky, and she's made it pay off. What a shot from Gauf.
What a time to play it as well. She was in the forehand corner, chose to play the backhand drop shot. And what a moment, and what a piece of quality to come up with.
Helping hand of Gauf. But the forehands come back to the party. It's always a party on centre court when Alex Eala is in town. That is wide, and Gauf into a second semi-final here in Dubai. That was a very, very solid performance from the third seed. She came into a cauldron of an atmosphere here with the crowd behind Eala, but she kept them quiet, winning the first 10 games. Yes, there was a little wobble as Eala attempted to come back. But overall, Anna, from Coco Gauf, a much improved performance.
Yeah, she'll absolutely be happier with her performance tonight in comparison to yesterday.